Hi everyone, I'm Jack from howtospecialist.com. Today, we're building the ultimate outdoor setup. A beautiful L-sectional bench paired with a coffee table, perfect for relaxing or entertaining in your backyard. This outdoor L-sectional bench and coffee table set is the perfect addition to any patio, transforming your outdoor space into a comfortable and stylish retreat. Designed for relaxing, entertaining, or simply enjoying the fresh air, the L-shaped bench maximizes seating capacity while the coffee table provides a functional centerpiece for drinks, snacks, or decor. Built with durable materials and customizable finishes, this project not only enhances the aesthetics of your patio, but also creates a welcoming space for gatherings, making it a true extension of your home. Building the outdoor L-sectional bench and coffee table will cost approximately $210 to $360, depending on the materials and finishes you choose. Lumber, such as pressure-treated wood or cedar, will make up the bulk of the cost at around $150 to $250, while hardware like screws and brackets adds $30 to $50. Finishing touches like stain or weatherproof sealant will range from $30 to $60. This cost-effective project provides a durable, stylish setup that transforms your patio into a welcoming and functional space for relaxation and entertaining. This outdoor L-sectional bench and coffee table are built entirely with 2x4 lumber, making the project both sturdy and cost-effective. The use of 2x4s ensures a durable structure that can withstand daily use while providing a clean, modern aesthetic. Plus, 2x4 lumber is readily available at most hardware stores, making this project accessible for DIYers of all skill levels. Whether you're building for your patio, deck, or garden, this design combines strength, simplicity, and practicality for a project you'll enjoy for years to come. For the best results, take your time to measure and cut each piece of lumber accurately. Precision is key to a seamless build. Use pilot holes to prevent splitting, especially when working close to the edges of the wood. Sand all surfaces before assembly to ensure a smooth finish and avoid rough spots. When fastening the frame, double-check that everything is square to keep your bench and table sturdy and visually balanced. Finally, don't skip applying a weather-resistant stain or sealant to protect your furniture from the elements, extending its lifespan and keeping it looking great year-round. Free plans for this outdoor L-sectional bench and coffee table project are available on howtospecialist.com, giving you everything you need to build this stylish and functional furniture for your patio. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY projects, tips, and inspiration. Be sure to check back for future videos where we'll guide you through even more exciting builds to transform your home and outdoor spaces. Happy building!